Good morning, internet. Look at this view. Isn't it beautiful? It is amazing. We are currently on our way to Fox Glacier, and Sam's driving again as usual. We have our coffees.
Stayed at a sandfly-ridden campsite.
Yes, we did. We stayed at a lake something or other, and there was just, you open the door and 5 minutes later there's sandflies just chewing on you. We're gonna probably pull over for breakfast soon, hopefully, because I'm hungry, but I don't really know what we're gonna eat because we don't have much food left. I don't know. We'll see. I'll show you. Maybe. Probably not. I usually don't. Amazing.
I wasn't speaking
We got down to Blue Pools.
Yes.
Yes. And it's blue and pooly.
It's beautiful.
And it looks similar to like a scene that is in Lord of the Rings, so we're happy. We're going to build a rock tower and I'll show you when we're done. We built this fabulous rock tower. And I put this beautiful little rock that I found on the very, very top of it.
Now for the true finale.
I feel like it needs a extra tiny little...
Wait.
Ah!
An extra teeny tiny one.
You can't get the tiny ones to stay on.
We can get the
Like,
tiny
this one's
ones.
really tiny and flat.
This one's even tinier. You can do it. You can do it. Flies.
The most wonky rock tower ever, but whatever.
That's
we did
us.
it. We did it. You did. Now. Thunder Creek Falls. Hopefully we'll see, I know we're going to see one of those. We've seen a couple of these, both the North and the South Island ones, and we've seen only those in captivity, so let's see.
Cool. We get to see one of them.
But it gets to here, we get blue pretty water, the same as the last place, but there's less people here. And then there's a huge waterfall. So I've done a couple of bushwalks so far today, and now the main goal is to find me some vegetables because I need something to sustain me that's not sandwiches. We found somewhere to stay. So we're staying in 21. These are the bathrooms. We're going that way. That way. Well, that's it. We are staying at the Rainforest Holiday Park. So we set up our table and chairs, and we're gonna probably set what the hell? We're probably gonna set up our bed pretty soon. That's that thing there. Now there's a Sam sitting. And we've set up our little toilet at the back here in this private forest view. I've already tested it. It was nice.
Where the beer's at.
Where the beer's at. Alright, even though I don't drink beer. I hope they have rum.
I don't care.
Let's go find out. We found a doggo, and it's so cute. I forgot. So here's what's left of my potato. The cauliflower that I'm not going to eat because it's not cooked properly.
I'll eat
Sam with a burger.
It was a massive burger.
But I had
About 15 minutes ago.
a bunch of broccoli and carrots, and it was delicious. Good morning, internet. We are currently, I think we might actually be driving Arthur's Pass right now. Possibly, potentially. And we have,
We are so close.
out this window, a beautiful lake. And it's blue. It's very, very blue. I'll see if I can zoom in so you guys can see it properly. See how blue that is? It's beautiful. And then on this, you've got a misty mountain and a snowy mountain. So we're just really living the life right now. We are going to the Devils Punchbowl, and then we we are on our way back to Christchurch to catch our plane at 6 o'clock tonight. I will show you the beautiful giant waterfall very soon. Look at my hairdo now. I need to put that beanie back on.
The hairdo is a hair don't. Fucking funny.
We just did the Devils Punchbowl walk thing, which is supposed to be half an hour there and half an hour back. But we managed to do both walks there and back in half an hour. We did have to run up the mountain, which was pretty intense, and then on the way back down we walked past this group of school children, and one of them was like, how did they do it so fast? So I was like, we ran. We're worried. Our flight is at 6 o'clock, but we've got to return the van by 4 o'clock, and it's currently 1:22, and we're not going to get to the van place until 3:09. Beautiful mountain that you can look at past Sam's mug.
Did you see it?
Yes.
That's beautiful. So pretty.
We're about to say goodbye to New Zealand for a couple of months. And then we're definitely coming back. If not for a holiday, I'm coming to live here because it's beautiful absolutely everywhere, and the people are just so much nicer than at home, right?
Yeah, I haven't met anyone that's been an asshole yet.
We were about to drop the van off and we just tried to eat whatever food we had left. Disappointingly, we're gonna have to chuck out quite a bit of food, which I hate doing, but we can't bring it with us, so. Yep. This is the best chocolate wrapping I've ever seen. Hilarious. I love it. We're both really sad about going home. I don't want to go home, I don't want to leave, I want to come back immediately. So we've already started planning our next trip, but it's time to get on the plane and head back to hot Australia. See you when we get there. Sam's putting the suitcases in the car. Mum's here to pick us up.
Hi.
And Nan, hello. Say hello. We finally made it back. I feel gross and I'm ready for a shower. But that's it.